Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add up minutes and seconds in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Adding up minutes and seconds is very simple. We just sum up two cells with time data, and Excel does a great job with this task. But what if we only need minutes and seconds and we don't need hours? This time adding up won't be enough. We use the same formula for summing cells, only now we will change the cell format. Select the cells and click the rightmost button and then Format Cells. Next, in the Number tab, we select the Custom category, and in the Type field, we enter a format of this type. The minutes are in square brackets and the seconds are without brackets. Click OK and we got this result. Unfortunately, we can only count minutes in this way. Seconds, as before, when exceeding 60 seconds, are converted to a minute and added to the minutes value. To add up the minutes and seconds separately, we will use the formula. Using this formula, we extract the minutes and seconds from each cell and then sum them separately. Only when we use this method, the data in the cell is converted to text format and cannot be used in calculations with time format cells. It's all. Now in all till more. Thanks for watching.